Maratha quota agitation has entered a decisive phase as far as Mumbai is concerned. Activist Manoj Jarange's indefinite fast, now on its second day at Azad Maidan, has brought the demand for Maratha reservation back into the spotlight. Jarange has asked the Maharashtra's government to convert the Hyderabad and Satara gazettes into law, paving the way for 10% reservation for the Maratha community under the OBC category. Meanwhile, the protest site itself has become a very big flashpoint here. Demonstrators claim that there is no drinking water, no proper food supply and inadequate basic amenities. The BMC, however, maintains that sanitation and other facilities have been adequately arranged. With emotions running very high and political stakes only soaring, the agitation is once again testing the government's ability to balance law, order and social justice. So on the left side of your screen, you're looking at activist Manoj Jarange. He's sitting at a strike at the moment, asking for Maratha reservation under the OBC category for 10%. On the right side of your screen, you're looking at the massive gathering at this particular protest site. This is Azad Maidan in Mumbai. Several complaints about the basic amenities there, but BMC has cleared their stance. They said that basic sanitation things have been already provided. So what exactly is Jarange demanding? He is demanding eligibility under Kunbi category. He is also asking for 10% quota for Marathas under the OBC category. He said that Marathas should be recognized as Kunbis. Kunbis are basically agrarian caste and eligible for reservation in government jobs and education is what also Jarange is demanding. He also asked that Maratha applicants should be given the Kunbi certificates.
हमारी मांग यही है कि 50% के अंदर के कुनबी और मराठा एक है। जो कुनबी होता है वो खेती करने वाला होता है, किसान होता है, अनाज उगाने वाला होता है। इसलिए कुनबी और मराठा एक है। मराठा ही हमारी कास्ट नहीं है, मराठा ये हमारी पदवी है। इसलिए हमारे को जो हमारी कास्ट है कुनबी, इसलिए हमारे को 50% के अंदर ओबीसी में हमें आरक्षण चाहिए।